Come join me on this crazy adventure, how I find out how food really makes it onto your plate. Hello.
Hello.
David.
Nice to meet you, David. My name is Tahitian.
Where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand.
How long have you been here for?
I've been here since 2006.
So this is home.
Well, it's actually felt like home since I came here the first time, which was when I was 5 years old. I told everybody at primary school that I was going to live on the island of Moorea and marry a Tahitian princess.
And you did.
I did.
Is that something that a lot of people have here, their own gardens?
Yes, and it's a very Polynesian thing to not plant to sell. Then you often won't get as much fruit anymore. It kind of takes the mana away from it.
Mana is the sacred essence that inhabits and ties together all living things. It is a vibrant force that lives in the people, the culture, and the islands themselves.
Have you ever heard of a Polynesian tradition called Pufenua? This coconut palm has been planted on my son's placenta, my eldest son's placenta.
Really? So you guys buried the placenta and put a coconut on it to grow?
That's right.
And what is the meaning of that?
Basically, his mana, his force will be in the tree. So then later
this is his tree?
Eating his coconuts. Yeah, this is Mana's
tree. This is like a grove of bananas. If I do it here so it falls that way?
That'd be perfect.
Okay, cool.
And there we go.
This is awesome. Like, getting bananas at a supermarket's great as it is, but getting bananas here is a whole nother level.
Yep.
This was bananas. Chef is gonna be super excited. I'm super excited. We've got more to get, don't we?
Yes, we do.
All right, on to the next. So has it changed since you first came here?
The island, yes. And we're trying to preserve it. We're trying to take it back a notch if we can. We've been learning as much as possible from the village elders around the island so that we can actually reconnect with the island. But there's actually a federation here on the island, Tahitian Moorea, that's trying to bring everybody together. It's all about unity and peace.
And maintaining the culture.
Exactly, exactly. And having it passed down to this generation before it's lost forever.
I need limes.
Okay, we've got lime.
Tapioca.
Tapioca, yes.
Yeah.
Manioc, we have that.
Yeah, manioc and limes. I think let's go for that. These spear-shaped leaves, this is tapioca.
So there's a big one over here.
Yeah.
It's just access is going to be pretty tricky.
So this is the bulb that we're trying to get.
That's it.
This is tapioca. I've never known what tapioca is. All right, it's oh!
There you go.
Ha ha!
Harvested.
How you like that? My mom used to make me tapioca pudding as a kid. That was like one of my favorite puddings.
Is that right?
I had no idea where it came from. It's the root of the manioc.
Yes.
Ah, my goodness. Wow. Wow. I need to give me one of these. You can get a lot of stuff done.
Absolutely.
Oh, lime's right here. Oh, the spines. Ow, ow, ow. Ow.
You pay with the price of blood.
I know. Limes. Oh, magical limes. I had a choice between ginger in the mud or not in the mud, and we chose the mud. Oh my goodness. This soil is crazy. Look at this. Dirty, filthy, delicious. Ginger. All right, let's go wash this off. Who needs a sink when you have a waterfall? We need to find this crunchy mango. We have cucumbers here, which is an alternative. And the smart thing would be to do it. The smart thing would be to pick one just in case. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. We're gonna get the mangoes.
So if you're looking for a bit of an alternative to spinach, we do have shukanak here in French Polynesia.
We have a bok choy in the dish, so maybe this could be
That could
a
work.
bok choy replacement.
You can kind of break it off to take a few leaves if you like.
Shukanak bok choy replacement. Let's see what Chef does with this. What's this tree?
Ah, there's the carumbo. That's the starfruit.
This is the, but these aren't ready yet.
They look right.
They do?
Yeah.
But we got this one, and in a couple days it'll probably be perfect. First time for starfruit, bringing this back to chef.
This is the mango side. And so you can give it a tug too.
Yeah, you look at that. Good eyes. I mean, it still's kind of hard though.
Yeah.
Maybe this is what he's talking about with the crunchy.
Crunchy as.
Look at that. I got the sweet mango, but it's not necessarily what chef wants. Shall we try for this hike and see if there's something along the way?
Let's do that.
Okay, cool.
So fire ants.
Fire ants.
Yes.
They're here.
They're here. They're not like normal ants that have like a little nest to worry about. Fire ants, they go everywhere. They're on the ground, the rocks, the tree trunks, the branches, the leaves, all the way up to the canopy.
Whoa.
So you cannot touch the vegetation once you get past a certain point because they will be on you and they will bite you.
They're really teeny.
Yeah, they're less than 2 millimeters long.
Wow, it's covered.
Yeah. There's lots of them.
There's one positive with the fire ants. If we find a mango tree, I don't have to climb it. In fact, I can't climb it. I'll be in a lot of trouble. So we'll just have to go with what we found earlier. No mangoes, but this.